method or method of factorization or triangularization method. Same as fourth direct method, Crowd's method. Crowd's method. In this method, square matrix A can be factorized into A can be expressed as the sum as, here we can write sum like this, A can be expressed as the product of lower triangular matrix L and unit upper triangular matrix U. This method are also evaluated same as the LU decomposition method. But difference between these two methods are, in the Crowd's method, L is a lower triangular matrix and U is the unit upper triangular matrix. Wherever LU decomposition method, L is the unit lower triangular matrix and U is the upper triangular matrix. So keep remember this. Crowd's method, L is the lower triangular and U is the unit upper triangular. Wherever LU decomposition method or method of factorization, in this method L is the unit lower triangular matrix and U is the upper triangular matrix. Suppose the given system of equation like, suppose system of equations A11x1 plus A12x2 plus A13x3. You can write this x, y and z also is equal to B1. A21x1 plus A22x2 plus A23x3 is equal to B2. A31x1 plus A32x2 plus A33x3 is equal to B3. So we write matrix form. We write the matrix form from the given equations. A can be written as x1, x2 and x3 are unknowns. Coefficient of these unknowns are A11, A12 and A13. Second, A21, 22 and 23. A31, 32 and 33. A31, A32 and A33. Wherever the X matrix are unknown. Here unknown X1, X2 and X3. And B can be represented as a constant B1, B2 and B3. But in this method, A can be expressed as a product of. So let here A can be expressed as the product of L into U. Product of L into U, but where L is equal to where? Suppose equation number 1. L is equal to lower triangular matrix. Here not unit lower triangular matrix. In the Crowd's method, L is equal to lower triangular matrix. So what is the lower triangular matrix? Here L11, 0 and 0. L21, L22 and 0. L31, L32 and L33. લોઅર ટ્રાયેંગ્યુલર મેટ્રિક્સમાં નીચેના ઘટક હોય, વિકર્ણથી ઉપરના ઘટક કેવા આવશે? 0. And U is, in this method, U is the unit upper. Unit, that means diagonal elements are 1, 1, 1. And U, that means upper. That means U1 to here, U1, 3. First row and third column, second row and third column, so U2, 3. These elements are 0. We remember that, keep in mind, L is the lower and U is the unit upper. So A can be expressed into product of the L into U, where L is the lower triangular and U is the upper triangular, unit upper triangular matrix. So L into U, these two products, multiplication of these two matrix and is compared to this matrix A. We can find this value, same as previous lecture we have discussed about this. A is equal to L into E. Multiplication of these two matrix, and then after, from this multiplication of these two matrix by comparing matrix A, we can find the value of such unknowns. L11, L21, L22, L31. Whenever we know the value, we know the matrix L and matrix U, this form AX is equal to B. This is the form of the A into X is equal to B. Suppose equation number 1, suppose equation number 2. When we know the value of matrix L and U, then જ્યારે L અને L તમને મળી જાય એના પછી from the equation 1 and 2, from the equation 1 and 2, AX is equal to B, but A can be product. A is expressed as the product of L into U. So L into U, A is equal to LU. Replace in the equation 1 on this A, substitute the A, L is equal to LU into X is equal to B. So L into UX association rules is equal to B. So suppose let U into X is equal to Y, where Y matrix are Y1, Y2 and Y3. This is equation number 3. So suppose this is equation number 3, this is 4. So Ux is equal to Y. From the 3 and from the equation 3 and 4, Ux is equal to Y. So L into Ux is equal to Y, so Ly. So Ly is equal to B. Ly is equal to B. From this equation, from this expression, B is the matrix. We can have a B matrix and L. L, that means this L matrix. L into U is equal to A. અને બેનો ગુણાકાર કરીને કમ્પેર કરાવીશું તો L મળશે આપણને અને U મળશે. L ખબર છે, B ખબર છે, તો Y ફાઇન્ડ કરી શકશું. Whenever we know the value of Y, put in this equation number, put the value of matrix, put the value of matrix Y in this equation number 4. Y ની વેલ્યુ અહીંયા પુટ કરી દઈએ તો U ખબર છે, X, that means X1, X2, X3, which is a unknown. So U into X is equal to Y. Y આપણને ખ્યાલ છે. So Ux is equal to Y. So from this Ux is equal to Y, from solve this equation and we get the solution. Solve this equation, Ux is equal to Y, and we get the solution. Same method, previously we have discussed about this Method of factorization, same method, but you remember this L and U. In the Krauss method, L is the lower triangular matrix and U is the unit upper triangular matrix. Whenever this triangularization method or method of factorization or LU decomposition method, L means unit lower triangular matrix and U means upper triangular matrix. Note down. So let us see how to solve the system of linear equation by using the Krauss method. Solve the following systems. X plus y plus z is equal to 3. 2x minus y plus 3z is equal to 16. 3x plus y minus z is equal to -3. Whenever asked this type of question in university exam, you can solve any types of you can solve this equation by using any type of method. You can use Gauss elimination, you can use Gauss-Jordan, you can use method of factorization, you can also use Krauss method. But whenever this specify by using the Krauss method, you only solve this equation by using the Krauss method. So we already know that how to solve this equation by Krauss method. So first of all, given system of linear equation can be formed in the matrix form. So matrix form of this equation A is equal to xyz, coefficient of this xyz, that means 1, 1, 1. 2 minus 1 here and 3. Second row 2 minus 1 and positive plus 3. 3, 1 and minus 1. 3, 1 and minus 1. We know how to solve. Solve, that means we find the value of x, y and z. So we find the value of x, y, z, three unknowns, x, y and z. And constant value b is equal to 3, 16 and minus 3. Now, we use now this is the form of AX is equal to B. Now, A can be expressed as the product of L and U. So, A is equal to L and U ના ગુણાકારથી એક્સપ્રેસ કરાય છે બે. L is equal to lower L11, L21, L31, lower, that means L22, L33 and L32 and L33. These three elements are 0. And U, that means unit upper. So these elements are 0. U1 to first row and second column, first row and third column. Second row and third column, U2, 3. So we have a value of A, this one, L and U, multiplication of these two matrices, and we find these unknowns elements. So here A is equal to LU. Second, from the equation number 2, A, that means 1, 1 and 1, 2 minus 1 and 3, 3, 1 and minus 1 is equal to L. L, that means L11 0 and 0, L21, L22 and 0, L31, L32 and L33 into 1 0 0 1 U12 and U13 0 1, second row and third column 0 0 and 1. Because of L is the lower triangular and U is the unit upper triangular matrix. 1 1 and 1, 2 minus 1 3, 3 1 minus 1. Multiplication of these two matrices, first row and first column, so that means L11. First row and second column, that means L11 into U12. 0 into 1, 0 into 0. L11 into U13. Same as second row and first column. Second row and first column L21 into 1, that means L21. Second row and second column L21 into U12. L21 into U12 plus L22 into 1, that means L22. Second row and third column L21 into U13 plus L22 into U23. And third row and first column, that means L31 into 1, L31. 0 plus 0, that means 0. Third row and second column, that means L31 U12 plus L32 into 1, that means L32. L31 into U13 plus L32 into U23 plus L33 into 1. So L33. So by comparing this equality of these two matrices by equality of this matrix, we get L11, value of L11 is equal to 1, L21 is equal to 2, L31 is equal to 3, and L11 into U12 is equal to 1, so L11 is equal to 1, put this one here, so U12 is equal to also 1. L11 into U13, first row and third column, that is 1. L11 is equal to 1, put this value here, so U13 is equal to 1. L21 into U12 plus L22, second row and second column is equal to minus 1. L21, we can find the value of L21 here. U12 is equal to 1 plus L21 value, we have known L21 value, L21 that means 2 into U12 that means 1 plus, we find the value of L22, 2 into 1 2, so L22, express the equation plus positive 2, right hand side, so minus 1 minus 2, that means L22 is equal to minus 3. L21 into U13 plus L22 into U23. Second row and third column is equal to value 3. L21 that means 2. U13 that means value 1. L22 value minus 3. U23 value, find the value U23 is equal to plus 2. So 2 minus 3 into U23 is equal to 3. So minus 3 into solve this expression, 3 minus 2 that means 1, so U23 is equal to minus 1 by 3. Now L31 is equal to 3. L31, you compare these two elements, L31 U12 plus L32, third row and second column is equal to 1. L31 value is equal to 3, U12 that means 1 plus L32 is equal to 1. So L32 is equal to 1 minus 3 minus 2. Last one, third row and third column, L31 U13, L32 U23 plus L33. Third row and third column minus 1. L31 that means 3. U13 that means also 1. L32 is equal to minus 2. U23 that is minus 1 by 3 plus L33 which is fine. 3 minus plus 2 by 3 plus L33 is equal to minus 1. 9 plus 9, 9 plus 2, 11 by 3. So L33 is equal to minus 1 minus 11 by 3. So minus 3 minus 11 minus 14 by 3. So U and L, so L is equal to L11, L22, L31, L32, L22 and L33. Lower triangular matrix are L11, L11, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3. So that is 2, 1 and 3, 1. 0, 0 and 0. L22, value of L22. L22 that means minus 3. L32 that means value minus 2 and L33 minus 14 by 3. And U then that means unit diagonal elements are 1 upper U12 here 1 3 and 2 3 0 0 and 0. So matrix U is equal to here 1 0 0 1 0 and 1. U12 1, U13 also 1 and U23 minus 1 upon 3. So here L and U, L matrix and U matrix can be fine. So whenever we have a value of matrix L and U, we can put here equation number 2, we can put AX is equal to LU in the equation number 1 and further process again. Note down. So whenever we have a value of L and U matrix, from the equation 1 and 2, from the equation 1 and 2, A is equal to LU, substitute in equation number 1, so LU into X is equal to B. Put this value LU into X is equal to B. So L into Ux is equal to B, suppose equation number 3. Now let U in Ux is equal to Y, where matrix Y is equal to Y1, Y2 and Y3, then this is equation number 4. From the 3 and 4, L into Ux is equal to Y, so L into Y, L into Ux is equal to Y from B, equation number 5. So from this equation B, we have a value of the matrix B, we have a value of matrix L, so easily we can find the value of matrix Y. So L can be there. L. So what is the value of the matrix L? L that means 1 0 0, 2 minus 3 and 0, 3 minus 2 and minus 14 upon 3 into y. That means y1, y2 and y3 is equal to b. That means 3, 16 and minus 3. So solve this expression. 1 into y1, so y1. 0 plus 0, that means y1 is equal to 3. Second row and first column, 2y1 minus 3. 2y1 minus 3, y2 plus 0 is equal to 16. So 2 into y1, that means 3 minus 3, y2 is equal to 16. 6, 2 into 3, 6. 6, right hand side, so 16 minus 6, 10, 10. So y2 is equal to minus 10 by 3. Third one, 3 into y1 minus 2y2 minus 14 by 3, y3 is equal to minus 3. 3 into y1, 3 minus 2 into minus 10 by 3 minus 14 upon 3, y3 is equal to minus 3. 9 plus 20 upon 3 minus 14 by 3, y3 is equal to minus 3. 9 into the 27 plus 20 minus 27 plus 20 upon 3 minus 14 upon 3 y3 is equal to minus 3. 47 by 3. So here 14 upon 3 y3 plus these terms are, rearrange this term in right hand side, and minus 3, these terms are this side. So 14 upon 3, 47 upon 3 minus plus. So 14 upon 3 and y. 47 plus 3 into 3, 9 upon 3. So 14 by 3, y3 is equal to 47 plus 9, 56 upon 3. 3 and 3 cancel. So y3 is equal to 4. So here we have a value of y1, y2 and y3. So that means of the matrix y. y1, y2 and y3. y1 3, y2 minus 10 by 3 and y2 minus 10 by 3, and the value of y3 is equal to 4. y1, y2 and y3. Now this value are put in, ક્યાં મૂકવાની થશે વેલ્યુ, અને આપણને જવાબ મળી જશે. આપણે આન્સર શું જોવાનો છે, આપણે એક્સ વાય અને ઝેડ ફાઇન્ડ કરવાના છે. એક્સ ફાઇન્ડ કરવું હોય તો એક્સ વાળો મેટ્રિક્સ અહીંયા, એક્સ વાળો મેટ્રિક્સ એટલે એક્સ વાય ઝેડ. વાય ખબર પડી ગઈ છે, હવે વાય મેટ્રિક્સ અહીંયા મૂકી દઈએ. યુ ખબર છે આપણને, આગળ યુ ખબર છે, વાય ખબર છે. પુટ ધીસ વેલ્યુ, પુટ ધ વેલ્યુ ઓફ મેટ્રિક્સ, વેલ્યુ ઓફ matrix y in this equation number 4. So equation number 4, ux is equal to y. So u, that is the unit upper. So u is equal to 1 1 1 0 1 minus 1 by 3 0 0 and 1 into x. That means x matrix, that means this unknown variables x y z. Y matrix 3 minus 10 by 3 and y3, that means 4. So solve this expression, first row and first column. So x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z is equal to 3. 0 into x, so x, 1 into y, so y minus 1 upon 3 into z is equal to minus 10 by 3. 0 into x plus 0 into y plus 1 into z, so z is equal to 4. Here simply we have a value of z, z is equal to 4. Put this equation number 4. Put in equation number 4, so y minus z, put this value, z is equal to 4, so 4 by 3 is equal to minus 10 by 3. So y is equal to minus 10 by 3, these terms are replaced in right hand side. So y is equal to minus 6 by 3, so minus 2. And from the, put this value, put the y is equal to minus 2 and z is equal to 4 in this equation number 3. So x plus y is equal to -2 plus z is equal to 4 is equal to 3. 4 minus 2, 2, 2, right hand side, 3 minus 2, that means x is equal to 1. So solution are x is equal to 1, y is equal to -2 and z is equal to 4, which is the solution of this system of linear equation by using the Krauss method. Exercise માં આપેલા જ છે. Krauss method થી ત્રણેય સોલ્વ કરી દેવાના અને LU decomposition method થી પણ સોલ્વ કરી દેવાના, એ પણ આપેલા છે. રાઇટ ડાઉન.